In 1994, radio stations in Rwanda became instruction manuals for murder. Radio Télévision Libre de Mille Collines didn't play music. They taught ordinary people how to kill their neighbors. The broadcasts were horrifying. Announcers read out names and addresses of people to hunt down. They gave step-by-step instructions for torture. They told listeners exactly where victims were hiding. They called Tutsis cockroaches that needed to be wiped out. Murder became pest control. Every day, radio hosts celebrated kill counts like sports scores. Villages competed to see who could murder more people. Neighbors who had lived peacefully together for decades suddenly turned into killers. They used machetes and farming tools to hack people to death. Even as bodies floated down rivers, the broadcast continued. Announcers joked about the cleanup and pushed people to finish the job. In just 100 days, these radio-coordinated attacks killed 800,000 people. It proved something terrifying about human nature. How easily normal people could become monsters with the right voice in their ear.